Hello students, welcome. In this problem, consider an electron traveling with the speed of V0 and entering into uniform electric field E vector. You see the diagram. So V0 is a electron, the speed of the electron that is entering here. So electric field is perpendicular to the direction of projection. Okay. So they are telling importantly ignore gravity. So gravity ignore means what is that? There is no weight. Gravity there is no weight. So obtain the electron acceleration, velocity, position as a function of time. Okay, so we'll take that here the electron, okay, the charge particle, after some time it is reached here. Okay, so it is somewhere here. Now what we know that since this is negative charge that is projected between electric field, now what will happen is that this will experience force. That force, since this is negative charge, that is attracted towards positive. So we know electric field is E, right, capital E vector, and magnitude of charge is small e. So the force is very simple. The force experienced by charge particle is F is equal to E, capital E, like a charge of electron and electric field. Note this point here, the direction is opposite. You see that force is downward direction. So as per the coordinates, so it is in minus j cap. So I'll put minus here and j cap. So if this is a force, now what is the direction of acceleration? First what they are asking, acceleration. So the acceleration A vector is equal to, acceleration is simply force by mass, right? So force by mass. The force is minus E, capital E by m, here j cap. So this is acceleration, the first point. And second point, what they're asking second is they're asking what is the velocity. So we know that as a function of time the inertial velocity is v0, and don't forget that is in what direction, x direction. So I'll write here the inertial velocity, let's say u is b0, okay, and also that is along what direction, I cap plus I cap, right? So this is I cap, right, inertial velocity. Now what I want to find out, let's say after some time, like 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, after some t second, the velocity here is something like this. So v0 remains same. So v0 is remain same. I want to find out what is the velocity that is along y-axis, because here v0 is along x-axis, there is no any acceleration, right? So only the acceleration along is j cap, like a y-axis. Now here I can write that b, I want to find out what is the final velocity. So the final velocity is v vector is equal to u vector, like that is also vector quantity, plus acceleration into time as per the kinematics laws, like equations. So now what is the acceleration I know, so I'll substitute what is inertial velocity, u vector, I'll put here also u vector. So that is v0 I cap here, plus acceleration is minus e, capital E, okay, divided by m. This is acceleration into time, j cap. So I can also write this v vector, the final velocity, or else the velocity is v0 I cap, this is I cap, minus E, capital E by m, into t, j cap. This is very very important. So this is the answer for B, second one. So now what else they are asking? They are asking third. So the third is here they are asking what is the displacement, or they are asking what is position. So what is position here? So after some time it is travel some position, right? So I know that again equations of motion, C, that is position r vector is equal to u vector t plus 1 by 2 acceleration vector into t square. Do you remember this? So now listen students, so what is u, like here you see that inertial velocity is what, v0, right? So acceleration I know, so I can substitute here directly, r vector, position is u vector is v0 I cap, and here I'll put v0 t I cap minus, okay, 1 by 2, acceleration is small e, capital E by m into t square. Don't forget acceleration is along j cap, so I'll put this j cap here. Is that okay? So j cap. So this is answer for third one. This is position after some time t, and this is velocity after some time t. This is acceleration of the system. Thank you, students. And also don't forget, this is ignore gravity. Now I'll ask one question. What will happen with the gravity? What will happen with the gravity? If you are considering gravity, then what will happen to the acceleration and velocity and position? Think about that.